Hi traders, welcome back for massive video. There are good news about Terra Luna. Please before start video don't miss subscribe and turn all notifications to be updated in all price prediction and news in cryptocurrency. The Terra price today is $0.3014 with a 24-hour trading volume of $5 billion. Terra is down 1.44% in the last 24 hours. The trading volumes have decreased over the past day, amid continued selling activity taking place in the market. The volume to market cap ratio stands at 0.6142 for the altcoin.At press time. The Terra price is facing a fight for survival following a series of poor market performances. The digital asset has lost more than 99% of its ATH value and trades significantly below $1 in current value. The digital asset is showing no signs of recovery as it trades below the 20,50 SMA on the 4-hour chart. Thealtcoin has withstood a barrage of attacks, which has seen almost all of its value being wiped off in the last few weeks. The continuation of the downtrend could push the prices towards the support level placed at $0.401. On the flip side, the resistance is placed at $0.4020. In the event of the bulls taking command of, the technical indicators for Terra suggest that the digital asset is seeing strong bearish control. The red histograms are decreasing in size on the daily chart. Furthermore, the gap is reducing between the MACD and signal lines, and we could witness a bullish crossover on the daily chart. This event, however, would not be sufficient for Luna to stage a recovery due to the immense shedding in prices it has witnessed over the past few weeks and days. The relative strength index figure of 14.35 shows that Terra is in the oversold region. Conclusion: Luna is down almost 100% in comparison to last week. Terra's sell-off was due to the volatility in the market, with a combination of the issue of its circulating supply. The future for the crypto asset is uncertain at this point of time. The crash in Terra sisters has still mind-boggled investors across the globe, sparking cautions in the crypto market. Top of the house cryptos Bitcoin and Ether also faced the brunt of selling pressure in stablecoins. The volatility stays in the crypto market as uncertainties around the stablecoins after Terra sisters free fall has raised questions over the stability in crypto assets. On Friday, the market surged in terms of valuation but nosedived in volumes. Bitcoin struggles to float above the $30,000 mark. As per CoinMarketCap, currently, the global crypto market cap is $1.28 trillion, a 1.47% increase over the last day. However, in volume terms, the crypto market dived by 8.27% to $80.65 billion, while the total volume in DeFi is currently $7.15 billion, 8.87% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Furthermore, the volume of all stablecoins is now $72.03 billion, which is 89.31% of the total crypto market's 24-hour volume. How Terra's UST and Luna imploded. So what the hell happened? Grab your coffee, you're going to need it. There were several forces at work. The first is the mechanism behind Terra and its stablecoin. The second was general panic. Many investors who may have been wholly unaware of exactly why the stablecoin was dropping rushed to the exit at the first whiff of a depegging. As mentioned in a previous edition of Decrypting DeFi, Anchor Protocol, Terra's high-interest savings account has been steadily reducing the rates it offers holders for depositing UST. What began at 20% and had been marketed as stable, steadily began to drop following the passing of Proposal 20 back in March. This proposal meant that if Anchor's reserves increased by 5%, the interest rate would increase. If these reserves decreased by 5%, the interest rate would also decrease. Moreover, this rate was expected to continuously drop 1.5 percentage points each month if there were more lenders than borrowers on the platform. With interest rates expected to fall, UST's number one use case began to waver. On April 23, for example, more than 72% of all UST in circulation was locked up in Anchor. Pretty much the entire raison d'etre for the stablecoin was to get deposited in Anchor. Once it became clear that the 20% interest wasn't going to last, UST holders began to leave. On Friday, May 6, there was roughly 14 billion UST in Anchor. By Sunday, this figure was 11.7 billion. Remember, UST was still pretty much pegged to the dollar at that point, which means roughly $2.3 billion in capital took flight over the course of last weekend. And since we know that UST holders were only interested in the Terra network because of Anchor, their departures meant they had no further use for that UST. So, we had a mass exit. To exit UST, you have two options. Option 1 is Terra's famous burn and mint mechanism. This mechanism lets holders swap 1 UST for $1 of Luna, destroying the UST in the process. This creates an arbitrage opportunity whenever 1 UST falls below $1, as speculators can buy the discounted UST and trade it in for $1 in Luna, making a small profit. The opposite is also true. If UST trades above $1, you can swap and burn $1 of Luna for that UST. Option 2 is turning to the stablecoin exchange curve finance. Typically, when a stablecoin faces a minor price change, savvy arbitrageurs will head over to DeFi's deepest liquidity pools on Curve and trade the discounted stablecoin to whichever alternative has held its peg. For example, if DAI is trading at 99 cents, investors will buy the discounted DAI and sell it for USDC, which, in this hypothetical, is $1, to bag a profit. That buy pressure normally pushes the price of DAI back up to $1. This is true for UST, too. That's the lay of the land. Now let's unpack how this broke down so badly for UST.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears.